So why other city boys, the likes of Cubana Chief Priest, Obi Cubana, Sheyi Tinubu, and co, were busy organizing fake empowerment in Imo State, with women shipped down from Lagos to Owerri to be part of that particular show. The Borno section of city boys were busy detonating 2 bombs in Maiduguri, the state capital of Borno. Yeah, you heard that right. There was a twin bomb blast in Maiduguri yesterday that left numerous Nigerians dead. So a round of applause for the city boys in Borno State. You are doing well. You are doing excellently well. It is about that time of the year again. Of course, elections are around the corner, and they've been activated to continue to unleash mayhem, in that axis. And by the time elections are approach, you will see results that will actually come out from those places that have experienced long time insecurity. Wonders, right? Let's watch scenes from that horrible outing. Welcome back. Now, these are the section of Relax, Tinubu is fixing Nigeria, the new Ribado chapter. After all, he called them his brothers. Gumi referred to them as his children and brothers and whatever you call them. They are at it again. So while the other ones were busy in the south is pushing propaganda, the ones in the north were busy pushing terrorism, pushing destruction of lives and properties. Yes, that's what you get when you vote in incompetent leader. And with everything that is happening, some people still have the audacity to campaign for APC. Don't you see how wicked and cruel and useless you guys have all become? You look stupid campaigning for APC. That with everything that is playing out, we find animals in human form still campaigning